my gosh.
You will be just fine in the summertime. It is such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime. You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy me, and you satisfy me, and you satisfy. Ain't no games and I know you got it, 'cause I'm always honest in my veins and I can't control it, 'cause you are flawless, but you act so modest. You're always so cautious. Cry for you like a dawn is giving you energy like I am Sonic. You will be.
But this place is actually really big too.
Oh, this is the hidden pool we were talking
Oh,
about.
yeah.
We should go there. It's like, oh, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be empty in daytime.
That's why we didn't see the beach, because we didn't go in this area.
I just wanna spend the day with you. I've been wasting my time in the afternoon. I know we'll be alright with different worlds and different places. I know we'll make it right, 'cause it's our time. We've got to say it.
You will be just fine in the summertime. And it's such a crime, 'cause we're in our prime. You will be alright when the stars align, 'cause you are mine and you satisfy.
This is what we ended up getting. Let's take a look at the view again. The bathtub, the sofa, I can't get over it. Our neighbors, but I guess everyone's out at the beach right now. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, look at this beautiful sea line, skyline, the beach, the pool, the grass, the trees. Oh my. Something that's really good is that we have our own mini bar and they restock it every day, but like most hotels you have to pay for whatever you take from it, but ours is basically like all you can take, so we can use this coffee machine and eat all our snacks and our drinks. Of course, we don't even drink that much, we just mostly drink Diet Coke, juice, and our waters.
Grilled chicken, steak, and this is the chicken soup.
Guys, this is super nice. We have our beef fillet, chicken, tacos, beef flank tacos. I think this is like chia seed pudding, and this is actually complimentary, like fish and chips and chicken soup. So it's just so nice, and all the condiments too. I'm a little bit red because I drank the wine for lunch. Yeah, I don't know, I feel like a tomato. It's so hot.
Instead, I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to the dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been just a night all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time.
I think we tried a lot of the smoothies and they're kind of sweet or sour. So actually my favorite non-alcoholic drink that I've tried so far is their mojito. It's a little food truck and they have some sort of show going on, but I don't know what it is.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me up.
I like it much better without alcohol.
Really?
Yeah.
Alcohol's a little bit bitter.
It's so full. That's good.
Tastes good.
Good. Maybe we can get like one of those. Let's check it out. Chicken, ceviche.
Yeah.
Oh, this is fish ceviche, I think, and one of them is the habanero ceviche.
Okay.
Shrimp, beef taco. Made it to the infinity pool. This is upstairs on the 3rd floor, and there's not that many people in the pool today, so that's good. We're gonna go there, and you can get drinks like there. Bring them to the pool with you, which is found this diner. It's super cute. We got the jukebox here, and the whole vibe is pretty diner vibe. We didn't want to eat outdoors, so we're waiting for a table at the Chevy. We're getting this table. I'm so excited. We got the blooming onion, the monster fries. Try it.
That tastes like fries.
Okay. I got the po' boy sandwich, chicken burger. Omelet again. I think this is called like the Mexican style eggs. Mixed fruit. I got hot oatmeal. Cappuccino. One is pineapple juice, one is like anti-free juice, and one is some mixed.
I'm scared to lose myself or to grow old. And all my shadows, they just don't know where to go.
It's like the other hotels are there.
And life is like a dream where I walk down a long road. And when I wake up, I just
Here's the ciabatta, beef and chicken tacos, grilled chicken, beef lasagna.
road. And when I wake up, I just don't know where to go. I guess I'll never know. No, nowhere. Wake up, wake up.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
So lit. Okay, so this is the foie gras. So I'm excited to eat that. You know, foie gras is just so packed with flavor. We got the mussels here. I don't know if it's hot, but we got fries, mussels, and I forgot what this is. Oh, octopus.